In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video on Clickfunnels. Let's start inside your Clickfunnels page editor. Go ahead and open the funnel page where you want your video to appear. Once the editor loads, identify the section and the specific row where you'd like the video to sit. This might be above your headline, in the middle of your sales copy, or in a dedicated video section. Take a moment to make sure you're placing it somewhere that makes sense for your visitors' flow on the page. When you found the right spot, hover your mouse over that area and look for the orange plus icon or the Add New Element button. Click that, and it will open the Elements menu, which is where all the different blocks you can add to your page are listed. Inside this menu, look for the Media category. You might need to scroll a bit depending on how many element categories you see. Once you find the Media section, click it to expand the options. From there, choose the Video element. As soon as you click Video, Clickfunnels will insert a video placeholder into your selected row. You'll see a generic video block appear on your page, which you're now going to customize with your own video. After the video element is in place, you'll see its settings panel appear, usually on the right side of the editor or in a settings window. This is where you control what video shows and how it behaves. Look for the field labeled Video URL. This is the main field you'll be working with. Now, grab the link to the video you want to embed. You can use a YouTube URL by copying it directly from your browser's address bar. The same process works for Vimeo and Wistia. Open your video, copy the URL, and paste it into the video URL field in Clickfunnels. If you're using Voomly, you'll typically be given an embed code. For that, you'll switch the video type in Clickfunnels to a custom or embed option and paste that code in, whether it's an iframe or a script tag. The same approach works for any custom embed code you've been provided. You can also use direct HTML5 video file URLs, such as links to MP4 files, if your hosting supports it. Once your URL or embed code is in place, Clickfunnels will automatically load and display your video in the placeholder, and you're ready to preview and publish your page.